how to connect your Samsung Galaxy smartwatch to your phone for the first time. One of the easiest thing to do, but sometimes can be complicated and you might be stressed when you're just getting this watch for the first time. So first, let's turn on the watch. It might take time to configure for the first time. Immediately it's on, a pop-up will show up showing your watch exactly the model. Mine is Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, and this is the pairing. It just looks amazing. Yeah. I think you remember initially how we used to use Bluetooth. You send a notification and there you get it. Yeah, so at this point I just checked on everything literally, because I didn't want to read anything, because these settings I can change them later in the settings. But for now, yeah, let's have fun and continue that. Setting up Google account, this was somehow hectic. Yeah, it failed, so I just skipped it because it's something again I can do later in the settings. Then yeah, that is it. Automatic backup. Initially I don't have any backup, so the watch is trying to find backup, but it's something that I'm connecting for the first time, so it doesn't have that. At this section, you're asked the hand where you want your watch to be, so I always prefer the left hand. Yeah, for most men, left hand is always easier, yeah, compared to ladies. I see most of them tying their watch on their on their right hand. Yeah, so at this point everything is moving on smoothly. Next, you just go to next, and now when you get to a point of adding a contact, I don't have a eSIM, so I didn't see the need, so I just skipped this process. I tried, but it failed, so I just skipped. And now this is the last point and everything will be all set. It's actually very easy, and it connects easily to a Samsung smartphone. I haven't tried it to a different smartphone, but to get full features of this watch, you must have a Samsung Galaxy phone. Our watch is ready here, as you can see. Let's go to watch faces. There are a number of watch faces you can choose from. Yeah, so I like that green one. It comes by default, but you can always change it later. Thank you. See you again in the next one.